Did you all feel that allergy? Let's match it with a round of applause for the students of Empowering 4C that matches their energy. You know what is my favorite number?
I don't know. Is there a reason you are asking me this?
Yes, the next movie is based on number 7, my favorite, one who is called Thala for a reason.
Is it Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
Yes, it is. Showcasing the life of Dhoni based on the movie MS Dhoni, the untold story. We had the students of Empowering 4A coming on stage.
माइक बंद कर लगेच बंद बोलायचं तिथं राहिलं.
मलदे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई. अरे मलदे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई. खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई. सुनो सुनो दिल के सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा. पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब. पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जब तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब.
रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे, जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे. रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे, जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे. क्यों सोचना है जाना कहाँ, जाए वही सबरियां बेसबरियां बेसबरियां बेसबरियां.
पब्लिक है रन मांगे मोर 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 मोर. ये मारा ये मारा ये मारा ये मारा.
कौन टाइगर का हुक्म.
Start the whistles.
Get the color, Give them a big round of applause for a wonderful performance. It's a biographical sports drama that chronicles the life of Murlikant Petkar, India's first Paralympic gold medalist. Directed by Kabir Khan and starring Kartik Aryan, the film highlights Petkar's remarkable journey from a soldier and boxer to a Paralympic champion. Born in Sangli, Maharashtra, Petkar served in the Indian Army's Corps of Electronics and Mechanical Engineers and excelled as a boxer. During the 1965 Indo-Pak War, he sustained severe injuries, including multiple bullet wounds, which left him paralyzed. Despite his life-altering setback, Petkar's spirit led him to Heidelberg, Germany, where he won the gold medal in the 50-meter freestyle swimming event, setting a world record time of 37.33 seconds.
What a wonderful performance from Empowering 4. Give them a round of applause for their performance.
I recently heard that our Indian team has won many medals in the Paralympics as well.
Yes, our GK teacher Gunja ma'am was telling us that the Paralympic participants are heroes.
Such is the story of our upcoming champion, lovingly called Chandu Champion.
Murlikant grew up in a small village called Pet Islampur. At a young age, he developed an ambition to win an Olympic gold medal for India, for which he mocked and made fun of by his classmates. He joined the Indian Army, where he was selected and trained as a boxer. The students of Empowering 3B are going to come up on a stage to showcase his life.
नचदी आरज़ू रुक न जरा न तू राहें तुझसे है रूबरू थोड़ा सा तू रख सबर थोड़ी कर जल्दबाजियां मंजिल पे रख नजर सफर लंबा है ओ शेर की चाल चल रहा बन के तू आग जल रहा सांस में आधिया लिए खून तेरा उबल रहा ये समानों में शोर है तेरे हाथों में जोर है इम्तिहानों की नोक पे हौसलों से संभल रहा तू है चैंपियन
सब दांव पे आ गए, आजमा लो हमें, आधे खेले जाती है ये हिम्मतें, अब कहाँ पे हमें के हर डर पार के मिट गए अपने ये फासले, के हर डर हार के मिल गए हमको ये हौसले। जीत का गीत ये सुन ले सारा जहां, गिर के उठे जो ज़मीं से वो जीत ले आसमां, खेल जा दिल जिधर, खेल जा अपनी जान, हार ना माने जो खुद से वो जीत जाए जहां, जीत जा।
To win the gold medal for his country. Despite winning, no one recognized his laurels.
After a lot of struggles, overcoming hardships and proving his wins, Murlikant was awarded Padma Shri.
That was the perfect blend of rhythm and artistry. Let's give a performance worthy clap in return for the students of Empowering 3B. In the world of cricket and football fans, hockey is my favorite sport. It seems like a perfect mix of football and cricket in a way.
Is it because of the movie Surma? Sandeep's story is so inspirational. I too wish to be good at hockey someday.
Yes, the students of Inspiring 5B are to showcase his inspiring journey.
Sandeep, you are great at hockey. Why don't you join Hockey Academy?
It's fun, but I'm not sure I can be that good.
With hard work, you can become the best. Believe in yourself.
I'll try, but it will take a lot of practice.
पीछे मेरे अंधेरा, आगे अंधी आंधी है, मैंने ऐसी आंधी में दिया जलाया है। दिल पत्थर हो जाएगा या पत्थर का दिल धड़केगा, ऐसी एक चट्टान से मैंने सर टकराया है। धज्जी 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 रात पुरानी, छेड़ सुबह की नई ये कहानी, जरा नजर उठा के उड़ा दिखा के जमीन
जमीन से फलक हटा दे ओ वीरया, जरा नजर उठा के उड़ा दिखा के जमीन से फलक हटा दे ओ वीरया, वीरया। तगड़े ओए तगड़े डड्डे सूरमा, सोने ओए सोने सड्डे सूरमा, तगड़े ओए तगड़े डड्डे सूरमा, सोने ओए सोने सड्डे सूरमा।
परदेसिया परदेसिया ओ परदेसिया।
सगा मदनी रे मेगरी सा, सगा मदनी रे मगरी सा, निरे सा निदा मद पा मगा, मगरी दा ओ परदेसिया।
मदद कर दो मेरी, अपने पैरों पे खड़ा होना चाहता हूँ।
मौत से गुजर के आंधी से उतर के आया मैं आया, जिंदगी पुकार ले जिंदगी सवार दे आया मैं आया। बदनाम हुआ था वो नाम दिखा दे दोस्त, आगाज किया था अंजाम दिखा दे दोस्त, फिर सीने से लगा ले जिंदगी, जरा नजर उड़ा के उड़ा दिखा दे जमीन से फलक हटा दे ओ वीरया, जरा नजर उठा के उड़ा दिखा दे जमीन से फलक हटा दे ओ वीरया, ओ वीरया। तगड़े ओए तगड़े डड्डे सूरमा, सोने ओए सोने सड्डे सूरमा, तगड़े ओए तगड़े डड्डे सूरमा, सोने ओए सोने सड्डे सूरमा।
Deep singing back on the field. Really scored the winning goal. Goal!
You did it, brother. You made an incredible comeback.
This is just the beginning. I'll keep working harder and nothing can stop me now. Touched every heart. Let's upload this deeply moving performance by 5B. Whoa, whoa, where are you off to? Oh, good, I'm not late. I have a very important sport to present. What? Skating? Not skating. I'm here to tell you about a movie which will show us how a young girl from the village of Rajasthan introducing skateboarding to her community and now has a huge skate park built in a village. Really? Well, let's call our classmates, the students of Empowering 3A, to show this incredible journey. Then. I have a skateboard here. Who would like to try it out? What is your name? My name is Prerna. How do I get on this? Mom's skateboard. Skateboard का है? देना ऐसे तू कर खुद Girls, don't skate. It's against our traditions.
But why cannot I follow my dreams? Why cannot I be free?
Yeah, if I can see it, I believe it's done. I got the power, I do what I want. I am the one, shine like the sun. Make you believe it, I'm second to none. Do it alone, I take it high. There is no limit, the stars in the sky. Straight from the heart, ready to fight. No one can stop me, I'm gonna shine. There is nobody that can stand in my way. The light of my life will shine today.
मैंने चूमा शिकर अपने जानी कदर पैरों ने जो खोले हैं पर क्यों सबकी सुनूं मैं क्यों ना भूलूं ख्वाब देखे जो मेरी नजर उलझी सी जिंदगी को सुलझाना होगा खुद पे कितना यकीन दिखलाना होगा चूलू का गन हो के मगन बन के
There's no other feeling like this. On my feet on the ground. I've been searching for an answer, one that I think I found. Ooh, reaching for the sky every time I fall. I get back up. If I never try, how will I know when I'm made of? There will be a time when the sunshine feels like today. किस्मत थी जैसे रूठी उम्मीद भी थी टूटी अब सारा आसमां है मेरा खुलने दो बंद मुट्ठी कर देंगे सबकी छुट्टी अब सारा आसमां है मेरा कुछ ख्वाहिशें हैं जो पूरी तो होने दो इन रंजिशों को बंदिशों को तोड़ दो मारी छलांगे थोड़ी मस्ती करांगे अब चल पड़ी मैं मेरी जिंदगी के पहिए घुमा के मारी छलांगे थोड़ी मस्ती करांगे अब चल पड़ी मैं मेरी जिंदगी के पहिए घुमा के मारी छलांगे
Wow! What a gracious performance by the students of Empowering 3A. The upcoming movie celebrates the one of the most legendary badminton players in India. The movie Saina is a 2021 Indian biographical sports drama film that chronicles the life of Saina Nehwal.
The story highlights her early struggle, rigorous training, and the unwavering support of her family, particularly her mother, who plays a pivotal role in her success. It also explores the determination to overcome obstacles and inspiring millions across the country.
The students of Empowering 4D are ready to show you the glimpse in her life. Saina, you play so well. You have a natural talent for badminton. Badminton, Mama. I want to be the best. If you practice harder and stay focused, you can become a champion one day. I will practice every day. One day I will play for India. Shaurya,
चलना पूछना पूछ के चलना मरना जीना मर के जीना मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने छीना गिरना उठना उठ के चलना चढ़ जा अंबर सीना सीना याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी ना जीत का जुनून है तो हार सोचना क्यों जब जिंदगी है एक ही दो बार सोचना क्यों मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं मुझे रास्ता बनना है मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है सदके मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो
talent and grace. Let's give the students of Empowering 4D a big movement of love and applause. Okay.
I know that Cannes Film Festival too is a showcase of different films. But no one must have done a festival dedicated to different sports. And it made me realize that one doesn't become a sports person, rather they are made one after the coach realizes their true potential. Next.
Yes, a coach is very important in a sports person's life. He just sees the game in a way that no one else does. It is like he has the sixth sense of what the other team is going to do.
That's a unique way to look at it. Coaches are like him are rare. You don't just get someone he's good at game, but also cares about you as a person.
For real, his strategies are intense, but they work. Remember the last game? We thought his plan was way too risky, but it totally threw the other team off.
This conversation has given me an idea. Why don't we call upon the students of Inspiring 5th A and D for a special performance? I've heard that they've made a special treat ready for us.
करिए, नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए, बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, चक दे में गलियों में, राशन की फलियों में, बैलों में बीजों में, ईदों में बीजों में, रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में, भूखा रोज भर ले, 10-12 बार कर ले, रहना में यार पीछे, कितना भी कोई कीजे, बस है नाम है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही, किसना यूं ही, किसना यूं ही, बस करिए। कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, चक दे
सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है, हमारी बाजी को जीतना जिसे आता है, निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम चूम के, धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के, निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम चूम के, धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के, वो सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है। जो सब करते हैं यारो वो क्यों हम तुम करें, यूं ही कसरत करते करते काहे को हम मरे, घर वालों से टीचर से भला हम क्यों डरे, यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, पर हमसे बच के रहना मेरी जान। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना,
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना,
अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, के कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया। आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया।
Dear coaches of CM International School, this performance is a dedication to you from your students. To the ones who can simply blow their whistles, have our students running on the ground and whose classes have 100% attendance because who would want to miss our sports period. Thank you. We have witnessed the journeys of so many legends from the world of sports, and maybe in few years some of them will join that world as well, and you will be the reason for their success. You can spot potential in them that even they know existed, and see past their mistakes and sometimes their complete lack of coordination, and still say you can do it. You always listen to their rants about the referee's unfair call and remind them to focus on the next play and not dwell on what went wrong. But the best thing about you all, you always celebrate with them when they win, support them when they lose, and believe in them no matter what. So to all the coaches, thank you for making our students faster, stronger, and more disciplined, not just on the field, but in life as well. And thank you for showing them that sometimes all they need to succeed in a hustle a little harder, but in more heart and do a lot more squats. Let's give it up for our amazing school coaches, because without them, we'd all still be chasing the ball in the wrong direction. Thank you, coaches.
What an incredible performance by the students of Inspiring 5A and 5D.
Let's give them a huge round of applause. Now, I would like Suchasmita ma'am to take the show forward.
A very happy evening. We now move on to the most anticipated section of our annual day, Chak Day, celebrating sports the CMI's way, where we come together to celebrate the achievements, talents and incredible journeys of our students. Tonight, it is not about trophies or certificates. It is about recognizing the spark within every child. Each student here is a world in themselves, unique, irreplaceable, and extraordinary in their own way. No two stars in the sky shine the same, yet each adds its brilliance to the night. Similarly, each student has their own light, their own potential, and their own path to follow. Some of them shine in academics, some in arts or leadership, while others excel in kindness, perseverance, or curiosity. And let me tell you this, every one of these qualities is worth celebrating. Keeping this in mind, from this year onwards, we have decided to applaud and value each and every child with an award unique to himself and herself. Honoring our school's motto, compete with yourself. Here we encourage students to keep bettering themselves for their previous self. Let them set their academic, behavioral or extracurricular goals at the beginning of the year and see how far they can come. As the classes walk on stage today, their teachers will be handed with certificates which are titled keeping in mind the unique and the special characteristics of each student. As we celebrate tonight, let us remember that successful is not a destination, it is a journey. Each step, each effort, and each challenge overcome is a testament to your growth and potential. We are not here to compare, but to uplift, to honor the diversity of talent, and to inspire every child to dream bigger, work harder, and most importantly, believe in themselves. So let us fill this evening with joy and applause and pride, not only for the students on stage, but for the dreams and determination in every heart present. Let us celebrate each student, the future of our world. I would now like to call our dignitaries on the stage to present the certificates. The students have been awarded with medals and their eyes shine brightly, reflecting their excitement and happiness. These certificates, which create cherished memories that students will treasure for years to come, will be given by the dignitaries. Now calling upon stage, please join me in welcoming the vibrant students of Empowering 3A with their optimistic class teachers, Ms. Neha Sable and Ms. Geeta Mulchandani. It is rare that the students of this class will not tell you what they want. They know exactly how to articulate themselves and confidently conduct themselves. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024 to 25 is the most vibrant class. Congratulations, well done. where students are active participants with clearly defined roles and tasks that need to be accomplished. It is our pleasure to welcome the curious learners of Empowering 3B with their fascinating class teacher, Ms. Shilpa Kulkarni. These young learners are always willing to participate in and be successful in their learning process. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024 to 25 is the most curious class. Let's hear it for them, audience. Lively students of Empowering 3C with their obedient class teacher, Ms. Gunja Gupta. These students are always full of energy, interest and excitement. They are always active, spirited and energetic. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024 to 25 is the most lively class. Now calling upon stage the lively students. Now calling upon the lively students of Empowering 3C with their obedient class. Let's welcome on stage the cheerful students of Empowering 3D with their versatile class teachers, Ms. Rachna Patrikar and Ms. Mayuri Mane. Students of this class are polite and always smiling. They are caring and affectionate. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024 to 25, the most cheerful class. Let's hear it for them. Attentive students of Empowering 3E as we take the stage with their compassionate class teachers, Ms. Shilpi Kaur and Ms. Kavita Kotwar. They do their work with full attention and focus. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024 to 25 is the most attentive class. Please join me in welcoming on the stage the motivated students of Empowering 4A with their passionate class teachers, Ms. Pooja Sharma and Ms. Shangamitra Panchkudwe. These students are always keen to learn more and more curious about the knowledge and skill they are studying. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024 to 25 is the most motivated class. Let's hear it for them, audience. Let's welcome our next class on stage, the dynamic students of Empowering 4B with their affable class teacher Ms. Ashwini Umbarge. These students are full of energy and enthusiasm and share a lot of new and exciting ideas. They are very active and energetic. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024 to 25, the most dynamic class. I request all parents to please be seated. The show is not yet over. Our students have prepared more, so I request all the parents to please be seated. The dispersals will be announced. An entertaining class is a class that is enjoyable, amusing or diverting. It is a class that holds the attention and interest of an audience. Let's welcome the playful students of Empowering 4C with their elegant class teacher, Ms. Atushi Verma. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024 to 25, the most playful class. Let's hear it for them, audience. Let us now welcome the enthusiastic students of Empowering 4D with their serene class teachers, Ms. Renuka Talle and Ms. Manasi Narale. The students of this class are full of life, energetic and enthusiastic. They are good-spirited and happy. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024 to 25 is the most enthusiastic class. Let's hear it for them. Please join me in welcoming to the stage the well-behaved students of Inspiring 5A with their energetic class teacher, Ms. Shalini Patel. The students of this class exhibit a positive attitude and outlook in the classroom. They always cooperate with the teacher and other students. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024-25 is the most well-behaved class. I request all the parents to please be seated. The show is not yet over. Let's welcome our next class on stage, the diligent students of Inspiring 5th B with their motivated class teacher, Ms. Namita Chakradhar. These students put constant effort to accomplish something. They are attentive and persistent in doing anything. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024-25 is the most diligent class. Let's hear it for them, audience. The optimistic students of Inspiring 5th C with their pleasant class teacher, Ms. Sejal Damania. These students focus on what's good about a situation and what they can do to make it better. They are confident and prepared. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024-25 is the most optimistic class. Let's hear it for them. The collaborative students of Inspiring 5th D with their ethical class teacher, Ms. Rajpreet Kaur. The students of this class work together to solve problems, learn new concepts and complete tasks. They listen to others, express ideas, ask for help and follow directions. The title awarded to them for the academic year 2024-25 is the most collaborative class. Let's hear it for them, audience. Students, and heartiest congratulations to you all. I now request our dignitaries to please take their seats. As we celebrate the magic of cinema and sports, let us not forget the unsung heroes who work tirelessly behind the scenes. We proudly invite on stage Team way, celebrating sports cinema, the CMI's way. Let us meet the crew. Coming on stage are the choreographers. Let's hear it for them, audience.
Happy ending, happy ending. Everybody's looking for
Followed by music and sound.
happy ending, happy ending. हर कहानी की हो happy ending.
Let us welcome the props team with their art director. Inviting on stage the costume designers.
कभी दरवाजे पे जो ठक ठक हुई तो दस्तक वो शोहरत की हो
Followed by hair and makeup.
यूं ही छम छम हुई तो बारिश वो दौलत की हो
जैसे होते हैं ख्याली बातों में
Now let's invite food and drinks and hospitality.
सबका भला हो
Let's hear it for them, audience.
अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो हमसे ना ऊपर
Followed by the technical and the post production.
सबका सही हो सबका भला हो सबका सही हो अपना भी लेकिन
And awards and accolades.
हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो सबका भला हो सबका सही हो
We now have on stage the social media invites and PR.
Everybody's looking for a happy ending, happy ending, happy ending. हर कहानी की हो happy ending.
Give a huge round of applause for our stunt masters with their stunt director, Mr. Nikhil Karnawat. Let's hear it for them, audience.
चार तोपों से अपनी सलामी
Let us now invite screenplay and dialogues.
हो, दीवानी हो डूब नैया में अपना चले चप्पू किसी भी बाजी में
Let's hear it
मिले पपलू हम
for the screenplay and dialogues.
गुजारिश करेंगे अब तो मांगेंगे कि दिन में हमें सारी ये दुनिया हो
सबका भला हो सबका सही
We have now the director, Miss Priyanka Rujandani.
ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो सबका भला हो सबका सही हो
The annual day, Chuck Day, celebrating sports cinema, the CMI's way, is chief directed by our principal, Miss Iqbal Kaur Rana. Let's hear it for her. The entire annual function, Chuck Day, celebrating sports cinema, the CMI's way, is produced by the SKP campus management. Let's hear it for our management audience.
आज जहाँ हमने अपनी सीढ़ी टिकाई
Thank you so much, team.
सबके रात दिन अपनी चर्चा हो
सबका भला हो सबका सही हो अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो सबका भला हो सबका सही हो सबका भला हो सबका सही हो अपना भी लेकिन
Let's hear it for Chuck Day, celebrating sports cinema, the CMI's way.
सबका भला हो सबका सही हो सबका भला हो सबका सही हो अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो सबका भला हो सबका सही हो
Thank you so much, team. I would now like to invite Ms. Sarakshi Deshmukh and Master Arnav Sharma to deliver the vote of thanks.
चल बोल दे. A very happy evening. What a night it has been. A true blockbuster celebration filled with glitz, glamour and vibrant energy of Bollywood. As the credits roll to on the spectacular evening, it is my absolute honor to present the vote of thanks.
First and foremost, a moment of utmost gratitude for the chief guest of this program, whose presence added a touch of stardom to this event. Thank you for taking the time to be with us tonight.
Let us take a moment to acknowledge and thank our beloved Appa sir, Sagar sir and all members of SKP campus. It is always a moment of inspiration and encouragement when you all are with us.
To our visionary leader, our respected principal, Ms. Iqbal Kaur Rana, thank you for your constant support and guidance. This magical evening would not have been possible without your encouragement and belief in bringing such creative ideas to life.
Now, let's hear it for the true stars of tonight, our classmates.
A massive shout out to our amazing teachers. You've been the directors, producers, and the choreographers behind this grand production.
You are ever supporting parents and guardians. Thank you for your cheers and encouragement.
As we wrap up tonight's celebration, let's take a moment to cherish the joy, energy, and the moments we've celebrated together.
Shah Rukh Khan has said that picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Yes, we don't end our Bollywood journey here. Let's take a glimpse of coming event tomorrow.
seems like tomorrow is going to be another exciting evening as well. May your evening be as colorful and bright as Bollywood itself. Good night and thank you.
As we come to the close of this event, I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem.